Hello student, this is my second lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about vector differentiation. So there are two types of differentiation. First is ordinary differentiation. Ordinary differentiation means differential in case of single variable, and partial differentiation means differential in case of two or more variable. Point function. Point function, a variable quantity whose value at any point in a region of space depends upon the position of the point, is called a point function. Means a quantity whose value is depend upon the position of the point is called point function. There are two types of point function. First is scalar point function and second is vector point function. So first is scalar point function. Scalar point function means a function of a point xyz in a region R in space whose value is a scalar is called a scalar point function. Okay, means a point whose value is a scalar or a scalar point is called scalar point function. Means a point whose value is a scalar, so this function is called a scalar point function, which is denoted by phi of xyz. Here phi is a function, xyz point, and no bar means scalar. Therefore phi of xyz is a scalar point function. Scalar field. Scalar field, the region R in space at every point of which scalar point function is called a scalar field. Okay, a region R in space at every point of which scalar point function is a scalar field. For example, an AC room with low temperature is a low temperature field or scalar field. Equation of xyz, that means phi, or equation of surface. Equation of xyz, that means phi of xyz equals to c. We know that x square plus y square plus z square equals to a square is equation of sphere, that means spherical surface. So here x square plus y square plus z square is phi of xyz and a square is constant. Next, second example, ax plus by plus ez equals to d. Here ax plus by plus ez is phi of xyz and d is constant. That means phi of xyz equals to c represent surface. Okay, means phi of xyz equals to c represent surface and called as lever surface, where phi of xyz is a scalar point function. Okay, if we write only phi of xyz, so phi is scalar point function, but if we write phi of xyz equal to c, this is the equation of surface or level surface. Okay, so we can note here one important point. Phi of xyz means scalar point function, but phi of xyz equals to c means surface. Okay, phi of xyz is a scalar point function and phi of xyz equals to c is a surface. Next, vector point function. So it is a function of a point xyz in region R in space whose value is a vector is called vector point function and denoted by f bar xyz. We can write f bar xyz. We can elaborate this vector point function. So f bar xyz equals to f1 xyz I bar plus f2 xyz j bar plus f3 xyz k bar. For example, we can take one more example of vector point function. For example, f bar xyz equals to x square yz I bar plus x square y z x y square z j bar plus x y z square k bar. This is the example of vector point function. Next, vector field. Vector field, the set of point of the region R together with the corresponding vector point f bar is called a vector field over R, or the region R at each point of each vector point function is defined is called a vector point or is called a vector field. Okay, means at region R at each point of each vector point function is called vector field. For example, river. For example, river is a vector field as velocity is a vector quantity. Earth is a vector field as every point on earth gravitational force, that means vector. Next, partial differentiation. Partial differentiation. So suppose a vector point function is, suppose we can consider f bar xyz is a vector point function f1 xyz I bar plus f2 xyz j bar plus f3 xyz k bar. So differentiate this vector point function f bar with respect to xyz partially. So first partially differentiate with respect to x, keeping yz constant. So what is the partial derivative of this vector point function with respect to x is del f bar by del x equals to del f1 by del x I bar plus del f2 x by del f2 by del x j bar plus del f3 by del x k bar. Okay, then again take partial derivative of this vector point function with respect to y, keeping xz constant. So partial derivative of f bar with respect to y, del f bar by del y equals to del f1 by del y I bar del f2 by del y j bar del f3 by del z k bar. Again take partial differentiation with respect to z, keeping xy constant. So what is the partial derivative of f bar with respect to z is del f bar by del z equals to del f1 by del z I bar plus del f2 by del z j bar plus del f3 by del z k bar. Now we can combine all these partial derivative into one vector, okay, into vector s. So the answer is I del by del x plus j bar del by del y plus k bar del by del s del z. This is the three-dimensional derivative. Next, now we come to our first article. Our first article is vector partial differential operator. Vector differentiation is our first topic. So in that, first point is vector partial differential operator. Vector partial differential operator is del. We can say it as del. So del equals to, the value of del is I bar del by del x plus j bar del by del y plus k bar del by del z. You can remember the value of del is I bar del by del x plus j bar del by del y plus k bar del by del z. There are three application of del. First is three application of del. First is grade phi, second is divergence of f bar, and third is curl of f bar. So grade phi is a scalar quantity. Grade means del, okay, grade means del phi, grade means only del, okay. And divergence of f bar, generally we take the divergence of vector point function, okay. Gradient is we take the gradient of scalar point function, and divergence and curl we take the divergence and curl of vector point function. Here divergence of f bar equals to del dot f bar. So divergence means del dot. Okay, divergence means del dot, and curl of f bar, that means del cross f bar equals to curl of f bar. So curl means, what is the curl means? Curl means del cross. You can remember, you must remember these two things. Grade means only del phi. Okay, divergence means del dot f bar, and curl means del cross f bar. You must remember this point. Next, gradient or grade phi. So gradient of a scalar point function phi, that means phi of xyz, is denoted by grade phi and is given by grade phi equals to del phi. Grade phi equals to del phi. So value of grade phi is del phi, and we know the value of del is I del by del x plus j del by del y plus k bar del by del x. So now we have to calculate the normal vector. The formula of normal vector is normal vector. Formula of normal vector means how can we calculate the normal vector. So normal vector to surface phi of xyz equals to c is normal vector, and it is denoted by n bar equals to grade phi, that means del phi. So simply n bar equals to what? Del phi. Okay, and unit, what is the new unit normal vector? You know the formula of unit vector. So unit vector, suppose u bar is a vector, then unit vector is u cap equals to vector upon its magnitude. Therefore the formula of unit normal vector is n bar, n cap equals to n bar upon mod of n bar. Now we will going to take, or we are going to solve some examples. So first example is find unit normal vector to surface x to the power 4 minus 3 xyz plus z square equals to minus 1 at point 1 1 1. So we are given that here surface and point, and we have to calculate the unit normal vector. Therefore the given surface is, we are given that surface. Okay, but we have to calculate grade phi, and grade phi is scalar point function, and we are given that here surface. So we have to convert it into point function. That means we are given that here phi equals to c. We are given that here phi of x y z equals c, but we want only phi. So we can convert it into phi, means scalar point function. Okay, so convert it to phi. This is the phi of xyz equals to c. We can convert it into phi, that means phi equals to x to the power 4 minus 3 xyz plus z square plus 1. This is the value of phi. Okay, and this is the value of phi of xyz equals to c. So convert it into phi. Then the formula of normal vector is normal vector equals to grade phi equals to del phi. So n bar equals to del phi, that means n bar equals to, here n bar equals to what? Del phi. So n bar equals to I del by del x plus j bar del by del y plus k bar del by del z, and the value of phi is this x to the power 4 minus 3 xyz plus z square. Okay, here 1 is constant, therefore we neglect here 1. Okay, we can neglect here 1, or you can write also here 1. So del and phi. So I del by del x, this value, plus j bar del by del y multiplied by this value, plus k bar del by del z multiplied by this value. Okay, now differentiate each term or differentiate each phi with respect to x, y and z. First differentiate with respect to x. So I bar differentiation of x to the power 4 minus 3xyz plus z square is, what is the differentiation of this function with respect to x? 4 x cube I bar minus 3 with respect to x is 1, remaining term is 3yz. Okay, and derivative of z square with respect to s is 0, plus differentiate with respect to y. Okay, so here x square is constant, we are, because we are going to take derivative uh, with respect to y. Okay, so with respect to y, derivative of x is 0, derivative of z is 0. Okay, so only here we can write first 0. Okay, second derivative of second minus 3xyz is with respect to y is minus 3xz. Derivative of y with respect to y is 1, and last derivative of z square is 0. Okay, then differentiate with respect to z. K bar with respect to z x to the power 4, the derivative of x to the power 4 is with respect to z 0. Okay, then next with respect to z minus 3xy, then with respect to z 2z. So this is the partial derivative of x function 5 with respect to x, y, z. So finally we get the value of n. The value of n is n bar 4x cube minus 3yz I bar minus 3xyz j bar plus 2z minus 3xy. We take k bar common here. Okay, now put the value of, put this point 1 1 1, that means x equals to 1, y equals to 1 and z equals to 1 in above equation. We get this value. So put x y z equals to 1. Finally we find the value of normal vector n bar. Normal vector n bar is n bar equals to I bar minus 3j minus k. Okay, now to find unit normal vector, we know the value of normal vector is u bar equals to, or sorry, u cap. General formula of unit vector is u cap equals to u bar upon mod u. So here we can calculate, or we have to calculate the unit normal vector. Okay, unit normal vector. So the formula of unit normal vector is n cap equals to n bar upon its magnitude. Okay, so this is the value of unit normal vector, n cap equals to I bar minus 3j minus k upon root 11. Next, second, you must solve this second question. Find unit normal vector to surface x square y plus 2xz equals to 4 at point and this is the answer. Okay, thank you. This is the solved problem. You see, if any problem, then you can tell me. Okay, thank you.